Good afternoon and welcome to MCIU TV. I am Akboji Brilliance, bringing you the news for today, December 11, 2025. Now the headline. Michael and Cecilia Ibru University holds Christmas Carol on December 11, 2025. Stay tuned as we bring you the news highlight.
Event commenced at 10 a.m. in the Power of Faith building with the opening congregation hymn, The First Noel. The opening prayer was taken by the Venerable Dr. Stephen Wale-Monwu. The lessons were taken by various members of staff of the university. There were multiple presentations, including ones by the MCFDS, the university students, and the university staff choir. There was a live news presentation taken by the mass communication students at the event.
Michael and Cecilia Ibru University holds Christmas Carol on December 11th.
The vote of thanks was taken by Dr. Thomas Kolu. Major Titilo Edemlade reporting from MCIU TV.
That is the news for today. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at MCIU TV. I am Akboji Brilliance reporting from MCIU TV. Season greetings to you all.